Hello, maniacs! Get those pencils ready. We're going to draw a bulldog today. All right. So to start with, we're going to start kind of right here. We're going to put his head right here and his body right here. And we're going to start with his little nose. And so his little nose is like you're making a circle, kind of an oval, but it doesn't quite come together. Then we're going to make some little parentheses marks. We're going to make a line going down, and then we're going to make a droopy line underneath that, and then that droopy line is going to drop down, come out, drop down, come out, just like that. Then we're going to make another line underneath that droopy line that comes down and comes around like that. Then there's going to be his saggy old mouth coming up and then across like that. Oh, he looks so cute. All right, now we're going to draw the rest of his mouth. So it's going to come up like that, come back down, come up like that, just like so. And then it's going to come up around his nose and back over like that. Now we're going to have a couple little lines there, and then we're going to pick up from the bottom of his jaw and come up, come out like so. Oh, it's looking like a bulldog mouth. Then we're going to come back over here, and we're going to start above his nose about right here, and we're going to come over and just drop that down and come around like that. Then we're going to draw an eye right here with kind of an almond shape, and we're going to put the little circle in there, leaving a little bit of light in the circle. We're going to draw a little bitty line right here. Then we're going to draw another almond eye here with a circle inside, letting a little bit of light show. And then we're going to put his little puff eyebrow on top. Then we're going to have some little wrinkles, because bulldogs are wrinkly. Then we're going to draw kind of like a mountain, like an upside down V and a wiggly line. And then we're going to draw his little bulldog ear. So we're going to come up, come down, back around like that. And then on this side, we're going to come up, come down, around, and back up. And then we're going to match this up here. Then we're going to draw his little chesty, his back and chest. So we're going to come down, come back up, come down, make like a little upside down V, and then come back up. There's his little chesty. We're going to draw the rest of him here. So we're going to come down, kind of at an angle, come back in, do some little zigzags, come down, come back out, do some little paws, and we're going to come back up. And we're going to probably, a couple finger widths there for his chest. And then he's got his big chesty muscles here, or she. Okay, and then we've got another little accent line here. And then here's their other leg. So it's going to start here, come down. And it's going to line up about the same here in the front. So we're going to draw some little circle-y round lines that come back up. And then for the back of it, we're gonna start back up here. We're gonna come over here and draw kind of a curving line coming down. Then we're gonna draw another line coming down for the back. We're just gonna line that up, and there's his other paw. Okay, now for his tummy, it's just gonna be a line like this. And then we've got his back that's just gonna come back around like so. And then there's where his knee is, so then it's gonna come in. And we've got some little bulldog toes. Come back up. And then it's gonna come right here and kind of go underneath the tummy line. Then we have one more leg, which is gonna be right here. And so it's just gonna come down, over, do some little doggy toes. And there is the bulldog. And we're gonna just put a line here. So the bulldog is like standing somewhere. Oh gosh, what should we do? I think I'll put a ball right here. What dog doesn't love a little ball? And we'll put a little rope toy here. There we go. Now he's got some toys. He just needs somebody to play with. All right. I think I'm gonna put one more line right there for accent. Yeah, he looks pretty good. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.